guys, Lisbeth here. Welcome to another one of my videos. I know I haven't made some for a while because I had that reflexive cough and I tried self-care for a month and I ended up having to go to the doctor, getting some heavy-duty drugs. I've been on them for a couple days now. So hopefully I can get through this video without coughing too much. If I do, I apologize. I am going to ask, because I'm a couple things. One, I keep having that reflexive cough, which stops my videos for a little while because I can't talk. And two, because I'm on the Fed jury duty for the next 6 months, so I don't know when I'm going to be home to make videos and not. Make sure to hit that bell so you know when they come up. Because usually my twice a week video loads, one for makeup or makeup related items and the other for the declutter and cleaning and stuff videos. I'm not sure how it's going to work over these next, I'm on jury duty for 6 months, so I don't know when I'm going to be home, when I'm going to be gone, and all that stuff. So I've already been caught up a couple times and let go, so I'm not sure. So if you're new, I hope you enjoy makeup related videos and decluttering videos because that's mainly what my channel is. But today it's the Play by Sephora for March of 2018. I have my little cheat sheet here. Festival of Beauty or something like that is the theme. And you always get the 50 insider points if you purchase something. They've expanded it, so if you go into a JCPenney's, you can get the 50 insider points also. I think that's something that's fairly new. I don't think you can do it online yet, but I'm not sure about that. So it's $10 a month beauty subscription box plus actual tax by Sephora. The bag this month, usually you get a bag, it's got a denim look to it and it says beauty is my spirit animal. And the first thing I received is this Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara in black, which I am super happy because I have my last two mascaras are open and I have been using them for a few months. So this means I don't have to go out and buy mascara. So I'm happy about that. The next thing, which I'm always like, don't send me a black eyeliner pencil. Don't send me a black eyeliner pencil. Send me some color. And now, like, the one black eyeliner pencil I have is like a stub. They send me a different color. It's called Flirting Game and it is in taupe. To me it looks kind of like a bronzy black with a purple undertone, but they call it taupe. So hey, I'm going to use it on the waterline, see how it goes. But it just cracks me up because I'm always, stop sending me black, and then the time where I need black, they send me another color. So can't take me anywhere. The next sample, you're supposed to get 5 deluxe samples and like a freebie extra gift thing. I don't know if I'd call this deluxe sample, but Dr. Jart, I think, is a more expensive brand. I've used many of these. I usually get them as a 100-point perk when they're available. And I like them because it just so happens to match my skin tone. And I have like a 5-minute makeup bag downstairs, like if I don't have time to do the whole thing and I'm running out. And that, since it matches my skin tone but makes it look a little bit nicer, I can just throw that on, not worry about foundation. So far, for me, this has been a pretty good box. The next thing, I'm kind of up in the air. It's the Sephora lip cream in, what's it called? Bohemian Purple. And it came in a cute little card, but I've already taken the stuff out in case I have a coughing fit. I'm trying to get through my videos a little faster, which is why I'm trying to talk a little bit fast. But that's the color. I do have it on my lips right now. So it goes on a little chunky. I don't even know or understand. And you have to be careful because the inside of like the lips are pink or red, so if you don't get it all the way on the inside, it looks funny, but you don't want to get it on your teeth. So I'm still going to play with that, and probably by the time I finish this, I'll be done with the color. But for me, it's a different color than what I usually wear, so it's kind of fun. The next is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. I did just like throw some in my hair right away just before this video, and then of course it went crazy. You're supposed to be putting it on damp hair. I did put it on dry hair. The scent is kind of florally, but not very much. You guys know I have asthma and hate scents, so I think it's going to work out because it's very light and it goes away pretty quickly. And for the extra, I do not know how to pronounce that. I think it's Marajo, hair care, and it's called Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. But when I read it, it says it's a shampoo and conditioner duo packet. So I will try that. I have found shampoos that I love out of, you know, using packet samples. Not a big packet sample person, but I will use that because the John Frieda that I use on my hair now is something that had come to me through a packet sample, not through Play, but, you know, through a packet sample. So it worked out pretty good. Hair product is what I much prefer to perfumes because I got asthma. The volumizing, which I absolutely need. The purple, Bohemian Purple lip cream that I'm going to play with for a while. The Dr. Jart, which I know works well for me. The Cracks Me Up eyeliner, which finally comes in a different color than black on the, you know, on the time that I actually needed a black eyeliner. And then the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara, just in time because I've been needing a mascara. So this box worked out well for me. What do you think of it? Put the bag upside down. What do you think of it? I looked at some of you guys' videos and I saw you got like totally different things than what I got. And I think I've got a Walmart unboxing next, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.